Hello mga pamangking, what's up?
Yo.
Dito naman po ulit tayo at magkakaroon po tayo once again ng isang community kwentuhan kung saan i-discuss namin ang, well, community in general, kung ano na nangyari ngayon. Kasi last time na ginawa natin to is just really an update. Ngayon, parang update na din. Kasi naman, madami na nangyari, madami na din mga bagong kaganapan sa mundo ng Lorcana. Kaya,
Philippine
sa
Lorcana.
Philippine Lorcana. Kaya i-discuss natin yon yung mga yon. So, Ian, take it away.
Actually mabilis lang naman, konti lang yung ano natin 'no, but, we tackled this topic like episode 4, so it's
Yeah,
17 na. So 13 episodes na
13 episodes
nakalipas
ago.
since ano, so matagal-tagal na din yun,
Yeah.
and maybe this is just an update and maybe a look back on yung progress that we've had
Look back
since
and look
that
forward,
time.
'di ba?
Look back and look forward 'no.
Mm.
So ikaw BJ, ano masasabi mo tungkol sa player base natin ngayon?
The player base has grown quite significantly, no, as proven in the, yun nga, yung naka-picture dito, yung Bazonki Cup. 48 players and ang naka-attend and yung naka-register is napuno, 64.
60 plus
60 plus.
plus with
64
waiting
plus
list
with waiting list.
waiting list.
Of course, life gets in the way sometimes, so madami din last minute cancel, but still 48 is no joke. It's likely the largest event in Philippine Lorcana history as of now. Sana
As of
lumaki
now.
pa. And I liked it that I saw a lot of new faces, and yung mga nakikita ko din sa mga stores pag nagpo-post yung high market, pag nagpo-post yung side quest, lalo na dun sa dalawang yun, panay mga new faces ang nakikita ko na pinipicture nila pag tuwing meron silang mga tournaments doon. So that's great. That's great news. And obviously I'm loving it. Yung pinaka concern na lang is getting the level of competition up, which will definitely depend on some other factors. Player skill notwithstanding, and of course, player exposure yung kasama dyan. Kaya nga pag naglilibot yung mga top players, I also like it. I also like that development. Kasi na-expose yung mga newbies and yung mga medyo nasa mid-rank to different level of competition na hopefully naman hindi maka-discourage sa kanila. Parang na-discuss nga natin before na sometimes facing it can be daunting yung mga top players. But take it as an opportunity. I hope they take it as an opportunity to learn. So, yun yung impression ko sa player base ngayon is they seem to be keeping at it. So, that's good. That's a good thing. Meron mga obviously nag-rise up through the ranks. Mga nakikita kong constantly nasa first place sa Mano, which good. Kasi it means that they're getting more into the game, and then sana yung mga like sa second, third, fourth, tsaka yung mga nasa lower placements, hindi sila ma-discourage and they get inspired to play more and try to win even just the weeklies, and then of course the upcoming set champs, the majors that we have. So yun, ikaw.
Actually ano, iba na yung pananaw ko sa community, eh.
Mm.
Ano na ako, naiinggit ako.
Bakit ka naiinggit?
Kasi ano,
Why?
eh, sana magkaroon ng bagong player sa Makati area, Manila area. Yun yung
Naiinggit
ano
ka
ko,
sa Pasig tsaka
oo,
sa ano, sa
yung
Cubao.
nasa Cubao nandun sila lahat. Mainly through the efforts of certain people din.
Yeah,
So
thank you to ano,
Louie Louis has
yeah,
been
Lewis.
doing it sa side quest, and of course si Ken has been
Yeah.
also doing it sa high market.
Actually,
So,
High Market's push is
uh,
so
mm.
impressive. Sobrang
So
natutuwa ako sa push ng High Market. So, shout out to you guys. Thank you very much for doing that.
so kung siyempre gano'n, kung hindi dahil sa mga tao na nagpu-push, definitely hindi ganito rin kalaki yung
Mm.
community 'no. So, there has been a trickle of people coming in 'no, some are curious kung ano yung meron, tapos parang sige try tayo, yung iba binubudol siya talaga 'no.
Budol
And
talaga.
and and ano that's the nature of it 'no, wala naman tayong problema diyan. But, um sana lumaki pa siya
Mhm.
ng mas mabilis kaysa meron tayo ngayon. Kasi ano, parang I guess sa'kin is that it's okay that it's growing, but I wish it was growing a little bit faster. Of course, as the player base increases, siyempre maraming mga positive na nakukuha diyan. Siyempre more people to play with,
Mhm.
more potential friends, 'no? Potential friendly friends,
Rivals.
more than friends, puwede din,
Puwede
'no?
din.
So yung ano natin, yung mga positives there are a lot,
Mhm.
'no? And siyempre we would want to share our love for the game to more players. And, hopefully people realize that it's not just Disney game, 'no? Ano 'yan, parang marami pa ring puwedeng gawin. On the flip side, dahil nga
Mhm.
dumadami tayo, nagkakaroon rin ng mga issue. One which has its own slide, which has its own slide na pag-uusapan natin na medyo matagal 'yun, 'no? And of course, hindi natin maiwasan na, yung mga tao, mahirap ng i-police, if that's the proper term,
Mhm.
'no? Siyempre ano, people bring in their own personalities
Yeah.
into
The
the
clash of
to the
personalities
community,
is
oo. Hindi
inevitable.
hindi siya maiiwasan. Ang best na lang na puwede nating gawin is to, not really quote unquote police, is to be as welcoming and as understanding as possible,
Yes.
yun, hmm. So,
Especially tayong mga matatanda na dahil matatanda na tayo, 'di ba?
oo, actually marami na tayong mga
Oo,
matatanda na,
oo.
hindi na nga natin alam kung ano
Hindi na
yung
tayo
gagawin
kasing
natin.
hindi na tayo kasing pusok ng mga kabataan ngayon, 'di ba?
No, but there are a lot of young players that are coming in, so,
Mhm.
we appreciate na dumadating siya. And also that suddenly yung mga players na naglalaro sa atin dati sa Catchy, nagsisimula na rin siyang mag-branch out to their own places. Like yun nga, si Joey has been doing
Yeah.
it sa Rogue's Passage on his own accord, 'no? Of course, we would like to, highlight na wala dati sa ano, Pampanga ta's ngayon nagta-try na bumalik, 'no? I guess ang wish ko lang is that yung mga tao hindi sila magsawa sa pagbubudol ng mga ibang tao, hindi sila magsawa to ano, to find their pieces,
Mm.
'no? Hindi sila nagsasawa na, ah, maging patient
Mm.
sa ibang mga players. Kasi talagang again, with any hobby, may clash of personality talaga
Yeah.
na mangyayari. Still compared to other TCGs, I feel that ito, okey pa tayo,
Yeah.
'no? Meron nga akong nakausap na, from another TCG. Tapos ano, nalaman ko na ano, meron pala silang ano, yung sumbungan.
What?
May ano, may
Seriously?
oo, parang may freedom wall sila. Actually,
Ah.
hindi siya freedom wall, eh, freedom group,
Okay.
'no? So, alam mo naman yun.
Mga
Well,
pahapyaw?
actually, oo, maraming pahapyaw, 'no, wala pa naman tayo dun, but siyempre yung community na 'to has been around for a while.
Mhm.
You can kind of narrow it
Yeah.
down kung anong TCG yun, 'no?
Of course.
Tapos parang araw-araw merong bagong issue,
Mga bangayan.
oo. And it's been very difficult then to police. Actually, yun nga parang ang maganda dito is that yung pinaka-FB group natin, which is yung Miss Lorcana Pilipinas Official,
Yes.
medyo ano, active yung ating mga moderators, 'no. So, talagang sinasalang yung mga tao,
Sinasala,
'no.
oo.
Sinasala yung mga tao. So, ako, I've had my share of rejecting applicants, 'no.
Wow.
So, ano siya, obviously may mga ano na natatanggal kasi siyempre sinisilip yung mga profile, 'no. We look at the history of this person, tapos marami na rin kaming mga na-reject na
Mm.
obviously scammers,
Ah,
Yung ano, parang pupunta sa group para mag-promote ng ibang
mm,
product, gano'n. So, hindi porket Disney Lorcaana siya, eh, bentahan siya ng Disney. So,
mm.
ideally dapat ano, Lorcaana related
Yeah,
pa din.
so playmats, mga
Mm,
ganyan. Yung puzzles
so
puwede pa kahit papaano kasi may Lorcana puzzles.
hindi yung isa na nasalang is ano siya, eh, bebenta siya ng Disney Plus. So
Ah,
so so 'di ba
oo.
parang it
That's weird.
could be for another ano, so just know that the moderators are doing their job,
That's good.
as much as they can. And then of course may mga naba-ban na din or
Hmm,
ano, ako minsan di ko na nakikita parang, okey wala na pala 'tong tao na 'to.
okey.
So, masipag din yung ating admins and
Ah,
moderators. So,
that's
just
good to
know
know.
that we're also trying to protect you guys as much as possible. Kasi ano, parang kung hindi active yung mga moderators, hindi rin magiging okey yung experience ng mga tao. So, know that
So
we're
ano,
looking out for you.
I also like to highlight din yung mga I think there's also, yun nga, from the younger player base, meron din mga nag-e-emerge na community leaders din na potentially, yun nga, they're pushing the potential of the game, they're organizing their own play groups. So, yun, we appreciate you guys for helping the player base grow in your own way and being yun nga, community leader, especially nag-migrate na si Ninong Mark. So, nawalan tayo ng isang community leader.
But
Although
he's
he's
still
still
kind
there.
of here,
He's still active pero yun nga, but there's still gonna be challenges ko na ano siya dito, mag-participate siya dito. Siyempre, doon na siya magpa-participate mostly doon sa community ng Lorcana sa Melbourne. The stepping up of some community leaders is highly appreciated to fill that gap. That although it's not a really a, again, not really a big gap na naiwan because yun nga, nagpa-participate pa rin naman si Mark and of course the rest of Team Goat who is picking up the slack. But it's always appreciated to have more people being community leaders in Lorcana.
So ano lang, parang just know that we're growing, at a very steady pace and, um, yung with the growth comes certain growing pains as
Yes.
well. So nag-evolve na rin yung growing pains, but we're trying our best to keep everything in check, to keep everybody's, experience an enjoyable ba.
Ika nga
Yun
ni,
yung
ano, ni Genie. Phenomenal cosmic power! Itty bitty living
Kasi living
space!
space.
May growing pains tayo. But that,
Growing pains.
that's normal and we can deal with it as a community. Yeah.
Para hindi tayo toxic ano, pick stolen from pick stolen from Jacen.
O nga pala.
Thanks,
Thank you,
thanks Jacen,
Jason.
'no? Okay, so moving on to one issue that yun nga, comes with the larger
Mhm.
player basis, accessibility.
Accessibility, yan.
So ito
Agawan na.
yung I feel pinakamalaking issue, that is being faced by the community now, to the point that yung mga tao yun nga, nag-aagawan na, nagkakasamaan na ng loob
Mhm.
kapag hindi nila nakukuha yung mga pieces nila. Just do know that yung product kasi talaga is still pretty hard to get, 'no? Especially if it's like set 9, set 10, nagkakaubusan na siya
Mm.
ng ano, so people have been going around trying to get their product, sealed product, wala na, ubos na. But we do have some stores that still have the older products like set 5 to 8.
Mhm.
And I've heard people say na parang ayokong bumili kasi magro-rotate out siya. And to again, ang sinasabi ko diyan is, just buy the product.
Yeah.
Kasi magagamit mo pa yan hanggang September.
Yeah, exactly. They have how many months to go? 9
Have like
months.
9 months to
Yeah.
9 months to use it, 'no? So,
That's
not
a whole
only 9
gestation
months,
period.
9 months plus the possibility for it to get reprinted.
Mhm.
Kasi
Yeah.
every set na magsisimula, eh, mag-aano
Yeah.
tayo, mag, ah, magre-reprints tayo.
every transition set, no? Like yung ano nga, yung Fabled was a transition
Mm.
set.
So kung ano naman yung
Uh,
set na yun, ano tayo?
that's set 13, right? Set 13.
Yeah.
No.
Ano, oh,
Hindi.
hindi, 13. Again, people have been dibsing on a lot of things, and at least on my end, there should be a better way in order to do the buy and sell thing.
Mhm.
Kasi may mga nangyari na itong kunwari may seller, bebenta siya, nag-post siya into multiple
Groups, yeah.
posts, multiple groups, tapos mahirap i-keep track yung dibs sa mga tao. Tapos kapag
Mm.
sinasabi lang, "Ay, ako yung una nag-dibs," ta's parang, "Sorry, may nauna dun sa kabila." Ta's parang,
Mm.
'di ba,
Yan nagkakasamaan ng loob.
nagkakasamaan ng loob. Kasi siyempre again, umabot tayo sa point na kung saan yung mga piyesa talagang mahirap ng makuha. So the cards that people need are in very short supply. So maraming solusyon diyan, 'no, and I know that some people actually don't even do the dibsing thing in the GC, but they still get their cards. Kasi marami naman actually ibang sources pa na
Mm.
puwedeng makuha. So again, some will buy from their own pocket to open the packs kasi gusto talaga nila. The option to get from abroad is still
Yeah.
available. If you are resourceful enough, makakakuha ka pa din. But the major issue with buying from abroad is, yun nga, hindi mo malalaman kung legitimate ba o hindi. So, also buy with a little bit of, caution, 'no? Actually itong point na 'to nakaka-miss si Rod kasi ano, he gets in a lot of product,
Mhm.
and sure kayo na 'pag dumating, masasalang niya kung ano yung fake o hindi.
Ah,
He does his due diligence. Kasi kami palagi namin pinag-uusapan parang, "Oh, fake ito," 'no. So, I haven't seen the newer, issues with the cards, 'no, kasi siyempre nagkaroon na tayo ng maraming mga, ways in order to prevent fakery-fakery 'no,
mm.
na yung print nung ano, nung mga legendaries on the logo nag-iba, naka-emboss na
May
yung
embossing, yeah.
ano, so we have those things, but for the older sets it wasn't the same. So tinitignan diyan is yung ink, yung
Mm.
quill tinitignan. Tinitignan din yung lore pip if it has issues. You also look at the strength icon, meron din
Yeah.
siyang mga tell, o parang may mga tell din siya. Pero yung sa'kin, I think, and this is also me just being paranoid, bumili ako ng ano, ng weighing scale, parang yung
Yeah.
mini weighing scale. So ako, 'di ba when we bought product from abroad,
Mm.
talagang lahat ng mga cards wini-weigh ko, especially the big ticket ones. So the fake ones will be a little bit lighter than
Mm.
the original cards. So, just be aware kung kumukuha kayo sa abroad, na may possibility of it being not real, mag-ingat na lang kayo.
Yeah.
Ako ano, parang kung kayang iwasan yung eBay, iwasan. Get from maybe better sources like kung kaya niyo Card Market, TCG, there are ways to get from there.
Mhm.
Pagalingan na lang kung paano ninyo ipapa-ship dito sa Pilipinas. We haven't done it in a while. So, maybe it's time that we do it again kasi yun nga ang hirap na rin makipag-ano,
Competition,
makipag-agawan, 'no? Although siyempre we have our sources, 'no?
mm.
Kahit papaano ano, hindi
Actually,
na
ano
rin
eh,
kami
it reminds me of that question before that we answered from the community questions about yung kay, I believe it was Ponches, yung nahihirapan din siya magyaya because people think that it's ruled by a bunch of rich blurple players who are buying out all the cards. So it's kind of hard to shake off that impression given nga yung the limited stock, nag-aagawan talaga tayo sa pyesa. But I just hope that people won't get discouraged again because of that. Kasi there are naman ways to play without having all of the pieces together. And yun nga, pero kung gusto niyo talaga maging competitive, of course, it needs to be done. So, just up to you na din kung how far how far you'll go, ika nga ni Moana, to get the cards. And yun yung mga ginagawa din ng mga ibang community members natin. Like nga, kaya nga nakakamiss si Rod is that he brings in product. And there are some mga other community members na malakas magbukas ng box, lalo na yung mga collectors. So, just be, I guess, be vigilant on when they're going to be posting. And kung hindi man makuha yung dibs, I think the key here is building relationships with the community. Yun naman yung ano din eh. Kung gusto mo makabili ng product, syempre, if you have a deeper relationship with members of the community, mas madadami yung sources mo. Mas madami kang mapagtatanungan. And yung nangyayari pa dyan is parang nagkakatimbrihan pa. Na parang, di ba, uy, si Sir Jacid, nagbebenta ng ganito. Kailangan mo, di ba? Ako na mag-dibs para sa'yo. And then, ganun na lang. Or, uy, may group buy dito. Kaya lang, 4 lang niya pinapakawalan. Yung isang set, ikaw, isa lang kailangan mo, ako, 2 kailangan ko. Hanap tayong isa pa na pwedeng kumuha nung set na yun para i-split na lang natin. So, yung ganun. I think one of the solutions that we can do for accessibility is deeper engagement with the community and not just with your own playgroup, but with other playgroups as well from other LGSs. So, yun, be active in the buy and sell, not just in the buy and sell, but also in the main chat of our main FB chat. Kasi pag nakakakilala kayo ng mga tao, pwede kayong maging tawid or sila yung maging tawid nyo towards the cards that you need. So yan, give and take. Just like any community, magtulutulungan tayo to get the cards that we need. Yun yung pwede natin gawin. One of the solutions. I mean, it may sound idealistic, definitely. But a diluted version of it, even if you're not trying too hard to do that, is still better than nothing. So yun yung, I think, what we can do to increase accessibility to the product.
I think accessibility then, like moving forward, is just a matter of perspective.
Mhm.
Ang feel ko is, di ko alam if ako lang ba ang nakakapansin, ikaw you could chime in, no?
Yeah.
But people are so obsessed with the meta
Mm.
na
Okay.
parang, okay, I have to get all these cards in order for me to compete. Which I feel is not necessarily a thing that you really need to do.
It
Yeah.
definitely is not necessary, but some people feel it is. Kasi nga, you want to be competitive eh. You want to play with the best deck. And again, I guess it's a matter of, yun nga, tama, perspective. Kasi ako, perspective ko, dahil nga color loyalist ako, don't really need all the cards. I just need the cards that I need in my color. If ever I need something else from another color, it's because I want to explore that deck and see how it works, which I don't have to really buy them because there's the online thing that we don't talk about na we can use to explore how the other colors work or how the other decks work so that we could study it and know what we're up against. But there are some people talaga na I guess they're a bit more, yung mentality nila is they see that the deck has a higher chance of giving you a win rather than yourself. So yun, I guess it's that perspective, balancing of pilot versus deck. There are some people who prioritize the pilot, there are some people who prioritize the deck. Those who prioritize the deck are often the ones who go for the meta. But those who prioritize the pilot would stick to a game plan that they know and love and work with that and not really compete with the rest for the rest of the meta cards. Especially if there's some playing a deck that is more roguish in nature.
Kaya nga going back, I think yung sana yung mga tao ma-realize sila that part of accessibility is also being open to playing other kinds of decks. Again, I'll go back to the special thing, no?
Aha.
Kasi sure ako yung unang gumamit dito sa Pinas
Mhm.
ng special. So, it was something that was made on the idea that like si Spacey talaga mahilig siya sa mga ganyang klaseng strategy.
Uh-huh.
Lore lang, no?
Yeah.
I also leaned toward it like in previous sets. Tas yung ngayon sabi ko, "Okey, may bago siyang version, medyo mura, try natin." And then ang daming tao biglang naghahanap ng piyesa nun. Kasi nag-post ng good results,
Mm.
'no. So automatic kasi yun yung Spicy Special basta may blue yung kalaban, favored agad yung matchup.
Eh, ang daming blue sa meta. So,
Daming blue sa meta ngayon, so it's
mm,
a good pick up. But now na yes, mura nga yung piyesa, pero
tumataas
ngayon
na
na
siya.
biglang ang dami ninyong naghahanap ng sabay-sabay, eh, mahihirapan talaga kayong maghanap ng cards.
Mm.
So mas lalo na yung mga iba na meron sila na piyesa, ngayon hindi na sila magbibitaw. So I think it's just people should be aware that there are many other decks that are possible and can still win you games.
Let's
Like
explore.
like Kiwi. I mean like biglang lumabas yung Kiwi out of the blue and ngayon mga set champs, may mga Kiwi na rin na lumalabas.
Yeah.
Kiwi kind of like was strong in the past few metas, tas biglang okey kapag blue steel ka kailangan naka-ramp ka, walang nagki-Kiwi, tas ngayon Kiwi is everywhere.
Mhm. Well, kasi nga, I think the reason why that happened was because ang daming competition for Cinderella and Kiwi doesn't need Cinderella.
Oo nga, but again, going back to my point na you can if you're kung brave ka
Mm.
na mag-try, posible kasi ma-reward ka, eh. Another good example for this one is yung suddenly ang daming lantern deck,
Ah, yeah. Okay.
'di ba? So, I mean like siyempre it has the ano, the Demonas, the Hadeses, and the Dumbos are stock, 'no? Pero parang may potential kasi siya, eh. Kung marunong kang mag-navigate ng Lorcana content, I think accessibility will not be as big of an issue as you think it
Mm.
would be.
Well,
So, kaysa naghahabulan yung mga tao ng ano, ng mga ano, mga
yes.
cards, kaysa baka yung kailangan mo lang pala is hanapin yung mga not so kaya nga there's value in rogue, eh.
Mm. I
Ito
see
yung mga
naman.
tipong ito yung tipong magandang usapan na nandito si Hans, eh, pero wala
Yeah.
kasi siya because of ano, of stuffs, 'no?
Mm.
Hindi siya nawala, I mean like he's just there. Even the previous episode
He's
may scheduling issue
so
lang,
yeah, scheduling
'no?
conflicts.
Mm. So, you could still post results. Malay mo kayo na yung brew ninyo, yun na yung mafe-feature sa Inktex.
Well, yun nga, I guess it's also because especially if it's a younger community like ours, not very many will be willing to brew. Kasi there's also there's many types of players. Some are more pilot oriented, some are more brew oriented, some are more collector oriented. There are some people that just brew, and there are some people like that. They just want to brew, and there are some people who don't want to brew but just want to look at how the field is, how what are the most effective strategies, and try to adapt that so that they could win. And again, it's perspective and mentality, how you are, what type of player you are. But I do get what you're trying to say. Na we need to broaden our perspective and not just be stuck with being the pilot. Let's be the brewer. Let's be also try to be the collector. There's so yun yung ano natin. I guess that's the that's the summary of what we've been trying to say. Kung hindi mo talaga makuha, wag kang mapikon, wag kang ma-discourage. There are other ways to do it. You can work with the cards that you have or try to find new ways to make the cards that you have work in and surprise everyone.
So, again, ito malaking issue, pero sana ma-mitigate siya by number one, getting more cards, buying more cards, not ng sealed or maybe getting them from outside
Mhm.
or wag kayong ma-stuck with the
The
tried
meta,
and
yeah.
tested meta. Speaking of
The meta.
the meta,
Let's move
so,
on.
ano ba ang Pilipinas in terms of the meta? We covered this one
Previous
uh,
episode.
last
Literally the
episode,
previous
'no?
episode.
So we're just going to add a little bit more na yun nga, be more Ano ba 'to? Be more brave in
Be
your
the
ano,
rogue.
oo. Kasi ako,
Be bold.
gagamit ba ako ng tier tech sa set champs? Hindi ko sure, eh. Pero sure ako na may gusto ko i-try.
O yun.
So, kung ano man yun, sino yung makalaro ko, gulatan na lang, 'no? Ah, bahala na kung ano yung mangyayari dun.
Mm.
I'm not really expecting a math. If it comes, it comes. Pero para sana mag-top 8. Yun yung ano ko,
Yeah, top 8 is good.
yun yung target
Top
ko talaga.
4, I'd at least be happy with top 4.
8 and 4 doesn't matter, it's the same. It's either you're like 8 8 2 to 8 is the same. Yung 1 lang yung nag-iiba, 'no. Pax, I guess, is okay, pero parang with my luck, I don't really worry about it too much. Basta makuha yung top 8, okay na,
Mm.
'no. But we do have a very meta-focused community ngayon. So,
Daming purple steel.
maraming maraming naghahanap talaga ng mga, what you call this, staple cards. And understood naman, people would want to get the best cards so that they could post the best results. Um, but for those of you who are coming from another game, minsan hindi siya kailangan. I talked with, a friend, tas yung TCG knowledge talaga ano, eh, maganda siyang i-carry over sa iba-ibang game. Even though you're using a roguish deck, it doesn't necessarily puwede mong idaan sa skill kumbaga. No, kaya not too worried about that. But again, yung meta natin is you'll expect a lot of what the US meta is kasi yun din naman yung sinusundan natin. But overall, healthy for competition, I guess. But, lahat ng mga bagay kasi 'to nagka-clash kasi. And we're just here to say, well, at least to advocate that, uh, we're still a growing community. Kumbaga hindi pa natin nahi-hit yung, what you call this, yung,
Critical
peak
mass.
critical mass, 'no, where everybody is able to get the cards that they need. So, may konting adjustment din. Konting adjustment also means konting, pag-mi-mitigate ng expectation. Pero kung gusto mo talagang mag-ano, compete, then compete.
I have a rather, I don't know, this is just my gut feeling.
Toxic, toxic
Hindi, hindi,
a
hindi.
toxic opinion.
No, no, it's not a toxic opinion. Pero, kasi 'di ba, for the past few weeks uh of the meta, ever since the set came out, everybody's saying aggro's dead. But I have a feeling that because the aggro has kind of been hated out, I have a feeling that people are not gonna be preparing for aggro that much, and the aggros will be able to take a few spots. I'm not saying Amber Steel, not necessarily Amber Steel, but some other builds of aggro. Probably Dogs, Amber Steel maybe, but I'm looking at Amber as the color of your energy.
Hindi ba kiwi?
Ayoko
Parang
sabihin,
looking
ayoko sabihin yung kiwi, baka expect niya eh.
I've seen the kiwi lists, it's not that expensive.
It's definitely not.
Oo, hindi siya
Oh,
gano'n kamahal.
and
Tinignan ko sabi ko, "Huh? Simple 'tong mga 'to,
and alam mo naman kung ano yung nilalaro ko online ngayon.
Probably not kiwi."
Actually, it is. Yung kiwi nilalaro ko for the past few days.
Akala ko pa naman din allies ka
Hindi ako
version.
naka-allies ngayon. But
O yan.
yun nga. Pero yun nga, I'm
By the time
thinking
nalabas itong episode na 'to, nakapag-kiwi na si BJ ng isa.
I'm just saying that because people think that aggro has been hated out. They're not gonna be preparing as well for it. They're gonna be preparing for the control matchup, for the mid-range matchup. And then aggro, I think, will be able to sneak in. Kasi ang mga ine-expect kong medyo maging present are of course RA, Ruby Amethyst, Of course, Amethyst Steel and Amethyst Sapphire. Of course, surprise, Amethyst. So, yun, those are pretty much mid-range well, mid-range yung dalawa, but yung Blurple is gonna be controlled. So I think because of that nature, aggro will have a way to fly under the radar. It's just the question of which color of aggro, which flavor of aggro is gonna come out on top. But yeah, I'm not saying it's gonna come out on top, but I'm thinking it's gonna be able to sneak in a few jabs in there and upset some Blurple or Amethyst, whatever Amethyst players day.
Just know that people are buying stuff that are US meta
Mm.
focused. So, do with that information as you wish. But ako rin, parang if you know how to navigate the meta well, konting good ano lang, good prediction, kayang-kaya makapasok diyan.
Don't get
Problema,
mixed. The mix up. What's the
gano'n lang.
mix?
Okay, so kasi marami na rin tayong napag-usapan about the metas last episode, so we'll cut this short a little bit, moving on to this one,
The
'no,
future.
the future, 'no. Kasi pa-winter spell na din tayo kaya lalagay na natin 'yan diyan, 'no. So, future predictions for our community.
I think it's gonna grow a bit more, especially with yun nga, ang dami ng tournaments. Yun nga happy problem. Daming tournaments, daming venues na na-split na din yung community minsan kung saan sila pupunta. Oh, dito ba ako? Dito. Nagkakaroon na ng mga overlap events. Happy problem. It's just a matter of us getting more players together to fill those seats na nag-overlap. I think once we address yung issues ng supply, I mean, yeah, it's not as bad as before. But still, as we grow, those growing pains of supply na daming nagiging mas, yun nga, meta-focused. Kaya nag-aagawan talaga sa cards. I think we will get over it eventually, especially now that I'm confident that our call uh for the community to not be too engrossed with the meta will not fall on deaf ears. Kasi naman, meron din naman ng mga players that they do it because they want to play something fun, not just because they want to win. Kasi there are lots of fun decks that can take a win here and there. And, you know, banking on that chance, some people are willing to take that chance to put a fun deck through its paces. So yun yung nakikita ko sa future na I think na we're not this accessibility issue of us not being able to get cards because we're all competing for the same cards. It will be slightly resolved, but not in the way that it's just more supply. It's just more people will gravitate towards decks that are less hassle to build, less less of a struggle to get cards for, get pieces for. So yun yung sa tingin kong future ng Lorcana community.
So, for the immediate future, I think yung, isa sa mga pinaka nagugustuhan ko is, and I didn't expect it to happen because when nalaman ko na tatlong LGS ang mag-set champs ng isang araw, my first thought was, "Why? Why?" Ah,
Why?
kasi looking at the previous set champs, uh, players attending it was not as good,
Mm.
no, na we had to scrap for players just to have one set champs run. And nung fear ko was that it will happen again. Pero much more so na tatlo yung nagsabay-sabay. So, um, so far happy to report that it seems like yung tatlong yun, handa.
Mm.
On paper
On paper, yeah.
on paper it will. So, dumami na din yung players na umabot sa point na kung saan kaya na, and siyempre okey yun, 'no. But sana yung mga tao din ma-realize nila that konting player lang ang mabawasan, posibleng mawala yung
Hindi matuloy.
hindi
Oo.
matuloy. So, I'm pretty confident that some will really fly, pero yung iba parang alanganin.
Hmm.
So, ano lang, parang good coordination maybe, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-reg, mag-reg na kayo so that maganda yung ah, head count 'no.
Yeah.
Ang issue kasi dito is um, sana maiwasan yung multiple
Tapos bigla
registrations,
hindi ka pupunta sa
ta's
isa.
hindi ka pupunta dun. So,
Mm.
parang
It messes
yung
up the
mga
count.
we have a group of players that are willing to move around kumbaga, 'di ba? Na parang, okey kung saan may kulang dun tayo pupunta. But if on paper, parang ang bilang nila, okey ito matutuloy dito. Tapos suddenly may hindi pupunta kasi, either may life sudden emergency, hindi maiwasan naman talaga 'no. But, just know that parang yung projection kasi importante din 'yan para matuloy din. Um, Ano ba kasi yung negative impact niyan, siyempre kapag 'di natutuloy yung set champs, iisipin nung store na parang, "Ba't pa ako magke-carry nito, eh, wala
Yeah.
namang uma-attend," 'no? So, meron tayong mga LGS na feeling ko will be established ng kahit ano man mangyari. SideQuest will be that way, High Market will be that way. But we also need to help the others. Kasi kapag 'di natin yun ginawa, parang that's one less LGS that will carry product, possibly, 'no? So, kapag one less LGS na will carry product, it will also affect the supply
Yes.
moving forward. Kasi yun nga, parang ngayon ang hirap na maghanap ng Fable, ang hirap na maghanap ng Whispers, kasi na lahat ng LGS nabili na, from what I understand. Eh, kapag binawasan mo pa ng isang LGS yun, ano na,
Yeah.
so less supply moving around. Less supply means not everybody gets their cards, means people are not happy with their decks possibly, 'di ba? Tapos siyempre 'pag hindi masaya cascade, cascade, cascade. So, we've been advocating for this for a very long time, and it's still the same call that we are asking people to please support your LGS. Not only your home LGS, but kung kaya ninyong maka-support sa mga hindi ninyo LGS to help grow the community, then, please do
Yeah.
so. Oo. So ano siya, parang, strategy ba siya or ano, hindi ko alam, eh, 'no, na nagre-reg ka sa madami. Hindi ko alam yung I can't control people.
Mm.
Ako honestly, hindi pa ako nagre-reg
Yeah.
for the main reason that I want to see kung by come set champs day, saan may kulang, ang projected na may kulang. Dun ako pupunta to have one more warm body on the day. And I know that some people this group, they know who you are. So thank you for your service. Thank you for your service 'no. So meron pang mga tao talaga that really the community is the great one that we all want everybody to succeed. We all want that we move forward with all of these things. So, tulong-tulungan lang.
Yeah.
Ano naman problema diyan. Okey,
We're
so
a young, scrappy, and hungry community in
oo
Hamilton
nga,
parlance. So, yun nga, with regards to the future, if we remain young, scrappy, and hungry as a community, although we're not gonna remain young forever, but we could always be scrappy and hungry and always look out for each other, build the community, build the player base, build the competitive level of Philippine Lorcana. Baka again, short-term goal, protect DLC Manila. And I think I want
Yep.
that future. I'm working towards that future. At least kahit sa sarili ko, I'm trying to get myself to a higher player level. Just practicing and practicing and practicing. And I hope that the rest of the community will also be the same in their journey na parang let's do this because we also want to be better players. At the same time, let's be better people to each other.
Okay, so before we end, just a few reminders, no? So remaining set champs na meron tayo, may mga nag-update ng kanilang set champs. So January 17 ng Kekos Hobby Shop and Green Gate, that's a Saturday, they will have it. Yung side quest, they move from 17 to 18. So dalawa na sila. Ay, Play Cafe pala, move from 17 to 18. Kasabay na nila yung side quest. So mas marami kayong pwedeng pagpilian. Trader Superstore will also have theirs sa Dipolog naman on this day. January 24, Hobby Stadium, that will be the last one before DLC Hong Kong,
Mhm.
which is kasabay nung Courtside
Aside.
Galleria on February 1. Just a general overview again of our weekly events. No? So High Market has a weekly core on Friday, Infinity and Franchise. So please to check their socials out. On Kekos Shop weekly, Wednesdays. So
Wednesdays.
kung gusto mo niyo makita ang inyong Lorcan Tito Hans at Lorcan Tito Ian, we are there on Wednesdays. So we invite you over to Makati/Manila to grow the community. No? So sana people visit and find the magic
The
in
magic.
Lorcana, no? And then of course, Infinity Games on Fridays.
Mhm.
Do'n din kami. No, again, Rogue's Passage will be January 24, 31. So please get in touch with Joey. So main event ng ating Asia Circuit, January 25. Ito Courtside Galleria na talaga,
Mhm.
nag-announce na sila, no?
Official na.
Official na. And yung February 17 natin, this has been brewing for a while already, since last year. So it's Poi Collect with their Lorcana event. So free rin siya. So maraming mga freebies na ibibigay diyan. So Michael has been posting dun sa GC kung ano yung mga posible niyong mapanalo.
Shout out,
And just
Michael.
please,
Thank you.
and kung interested kayo, punta kayo diyan. So with that, just a final call. So please submit your questions. Now we are open to answer any of your concerns in the realm of Lorcana. And we will answer them soon. Na again, napu-pushback lang siya ng konti kasi marami kaming mga events sa sunod-sunod
Oo.
'no, na
Hindi
pinagpaplanuhan
hindi kami
'no.
makakakuha ng time to
Hindi kami
to
makahanap
discuss
ng oras.
to discuss them talagang because we have to do our main episodes as well. So yun.
Okey Doc,
Patience mga pamangkings, patience. And salamat for that patience.
So yun na muna tayo for today. So, yung ramblings of two old dudes once again 'no,
Na magiging
with
3 soon dahil nagbakasyon lang yung isa, nagpahinga lang ng konti.
okey Doc. So with that, goods
Thank
na
you
tayo
very
for today.
much.
Paalams,
Paalams.
ba-byes.
Bye-bye.